Good morning, students. Before starting our chapter, you should know in how many parts our subject is being divided. It is divided into two parts. Part A, employability skills. In this part, there are 5 units: communication skills, self management skills, information and communication technology skills, entrepreneurial skills, green skills. Now, part B. It also contains 5 chapters: Introduction to IT and IT industries, data entry and keyboarding skills, digital documentation, electronic spreadsheet, digital presentation. Now, we should also know the blueprint of this subject, in which we have theory of 50 marks and practical of 50 marks. That's total of 100 marks. Our theory is also divided into two parts. First, subject skills 40 marks. Second, employability skills 10 marks. Practical is also divided into 4 sessions. Project work 15, practical file 15, demonstration in the lab 15, and viva of 5 marks. That's total of 50 marks. Let's start with Part A, employability skills. Unit 1, communication skills. This unit contains 4 chapters. Chapter 1, communication skills. Under this chapter, we will cover definition, feature of effective communication, importance of communication skills, impact of effective communication in our lives, elements of communication cycle, barriers to effective communications. These we will cover in first unit. Chapter 1. Chapter 2, various methods of communication. In this we will cover methods of communication: verbal, non-verbal, visual, written communication, oral communication, advantages and disadvantages. After that, chapter 3, perspectives in communication, and chapter 4, basic writing skills. Let's begin with our first chapter, that is communication cycle. What is communication? Communication is the process of transferring or sharing of information between two or more people. In other words, we can say that it is a two-way process. Whether we realize it or not, we are communicating all the time. And given the number of platforms and devices that we use as we out our daily lives, like we use an app to call a cab to go out of the city, video conference with the client who is in a different city, using Zomato app to order food for lunch or dinner, even when we are gossiping with our friends and family, we are using different ways of communicating. Above are the few examples of communication, or in simple words, we can say that communicating is the act of transmitting a message, opinion, information, instructions, and feedback. What are the common ways through which we communicate? We communicate through spoken words, body language, written words, visual images. Spoken words. While communicating, the words which are using should be simple and clear to the receiver. For example, selling a product. While selling a product, we should explain the quality of the product so clearly to the person who is buying the product. Written words. Written words also have great impact while communicating with others. We should always use the correct spelling, language, and grammar. It is a reliable way of communicating with others. Visual images. It is also one of the way by which we can communicate with others using graphs, charts, maps, logos, and other communicating devices. And last but not the least, body language. One of the most important way of communicating is done through body language. While selling any of the product, your physical behavior are used to express or convey the information. It includes facial expression, body posture, eye movement, and the use of space. Now our next topic is effective communication. An effective communication is a communication between two or more people where the intended message is successfully delivered, received, and understood. When a teacher explains any of the topic in the class, the student listen the topic which is explained by the teacher, understood it, and ready to give the answer. In this example, the message is delivered by the teacher and the student understood the message which is being delivered by the teacher. 7 C's of communication. First, clear. Be clear about what you want to say. Means we should be clear on which topic we are communicating. Concise. Use simple words and say only what is needed. It means we should use simple words while conveying our message. Next, concrete. Use exact words and phrases. Always keep in mind what to speak and which phrase has to be used at that time. Next is correct. Use correct spellings, language, and grammar. While in written words, we should always keep in mind while writing spelling, use of grammar, and even correct language. Coherent. Your words should make sense and should be related to the main topic. While communicating, we should always discuss on the topic which has some meaning. And while discussion, we should not go beyond our topic. Courteous. Be respectful, friendly, and honest. And the last one, complete. Your message should have all the needed information. While discussing you should know all about its drawbacks, advantages, and benefits. We have discussed about 7 C's of effective communication. Now we will discuss about the features of effective communication. First, a message should be clear. It should convey right meaning to others. Second, listening to others is very important aspect of effective communication. Third, communication is a process in where there is an input and output. A meaningful communication results in a response from the receiver. It means a communication is always held between a person who sent the message, who is called sender, and the message which is sent to receiver. Act as an input, and after getting the input, the person replay it, who is called as a receiver, in the form of output. Now, importance of communication skills. Express thoughts, ideas, and feelings, creative awareness to fulfill a goal, avoid isolation, highlight issue, progress, and development. So these are the some importance of communication skill. Now, our next topic is impact of effective communication on our lives. Effective communication builds a sense of community among people working together so that their interaction give a meaning to their work. Second, educated people to participate in decision making. Build open relationship among people through honest communication climate so that they trust management. Now comes our next topic, elements of communication cycle. Let's see the elements of communication cycle through this image. Sender, message, receiver. The medium is communication channel, and feedback. Here, two friends are chatting with each other. One who is sending the message is called sender. One who received the message is called receiver. Hence, the medium through which they are communicating is the mobile phone. Let's understand it in more depth. Sender, one who sends the message. Encoding. It is the formation of the message or translation of an idea into a message. Message. Information to be conveyed. Decoding. Interpretation of the message, or it is the process of delivering meaning from the received message. Receiver, one who receives the message. Feedback, respond or the reply which we get after sending the message. Communicating channel. Medium. Communication is the medium by which your message travel from one place to another. Example, video chatting, video conferencing, telephone, etc. Now this is the communication cycle about how your message travel from the source to the receiver. Now the last topic of this chapter is barriers of effective communication. A barrier to effective communication is any factor, individual, situation, or experimental, that prevents the receiver from receiving and understanding the message accurately. For example, while talking to a friend on telephone, noise started coming from outside source, which interrupts in your conversation. Sometimes you do not have interest in listening the topic which is being taught in the class. There are some barriers to effective communication: time, language, noise, distraction, put down, lack of interest, disability, discomfort with the topic, distance, too many questions, and other people. Here we are finishing our chapter 1, communication